Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 2. First, locate the game's main executable file, usually found in the installation folder. Double-click it to launch the game. Before diving in, take a moment to customize your display and control settings for the best experience. You can then start a brand new story or load a previous save to continue your epic journey across the American frontier. Once in the game, you will use the familiar W, A, S, D keys to move your character around the vast open world. Your mouse is essential for controlling the camera, looking around, and precisely aiming your weapons. Remember to press the E key for interactions, like picking up items or talking to townsfolk. Holding Shift will make your character sprint, and the spacebar allows you to jump over obstacles. Red Dead Redemption 2 offers a rich world filled with countless activities. Beyond the compelling main story, you can spend hours exploring the vast, detailed map, uncovering hidden treasures and unique encounters. Try your hand at hunting various animals, fishing in serene rivers, or gathering herbs for crafting useful items. Don't forget to engage in numerous side quests and random events for additional challenges and rewards. To truly succeed in the Wild West, remember to care for your trusty steed. Managing its stamina and building a strong bond is crucial. Always keep your firearms in top condition and ensure you have plenty of ammunition for any situation. Pay close attention to your character's 3 core stats: health, stamina, and dead eye, keeping them replenished. Finally, save your game often to secure your progress and enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.